Welcome to Fashion Trends. In today's video, we're going to be seeing about how to style yourself with a beautiful hairstyle for engagement. So let's go. So friends, you can try going on with unique hairstyles like braids, or even you can try going on with plaits with unique hair jewelry. It could be unique flowers or even hair jewelry with unique designs too. So friends, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, remember to subscribe to Fashion Trends, so you could purchase similar types of these hair accessories which you've seen in this video. You could buy these in Amazon and they're absolutely pretty. Check out the description box for the links.